Grandest of afternoons, my loves. I wanted to do a quick Botanica run video as well as an unveiling. I wanted to show a couple of items that I grabbed today. We picked up a Libra candle because of course, the new moon in Libra energy. We wanted to honor the Libra energy. I'm going to fix all of these up. I don't know which is going to be for which yet, but ultimately one will be for Lord Ganesha, so that way he can help to remove any blockages, as he is a gatekeeper and I really, really resonate with him and he has been speaking to me, so we will definitely be working with Lord Ganesha. One will be for protection, one will be to give thanks to the earth and to the ancestors, and the fourth, to kind of petition the rest of what I am releasing. So I'm pretty sure releasing will do the releasing with black. Ganesha, I'll dress and fix and draw all my goodies on one of these, and then honor Mama Earth with one of these, and then, probably it might not work that way, but they're here nonetheless. And then we also picked up some powders, some polvos. So we have Justicia. So this is good to ward off evil. And of course, the balances and the scales are being weighed right now. So whatever it is that you have been putting out into the universe, you will reap. And I just want to make sure that I call upon this energy to help make that full circle. We also got oro y plata, so the gold and silver powder, obviously good for success and just all financial abundance. And then dragon's blood, of course. And I'll actually flip these over so you can see. So money, suerte, money. Oh, I said that twice. Luck, amor, all that. So these are what they are good for. So, so you should always have a money candle burning. So that's why Lord Ganesh will get his and we'll decorate and fix his with the gold and silver. I will be doing my petitions later on after meditation. So we'll cleanse our candles. I might do a video on how I prepare these ones. I'm kind of feeling called to do that, as well as provide a ritual, because I'm doing a ritual with these candles. So if I don't come back on here, make sure that you are doing your release work. Again, the new moon is for releasing, not for planting and setting. So make sure that you are doing that, so that way all the abundance that is to come for you can come for you without delay, and without blockages or anything getting in your way. Lastly, I'm going to flip the camera. I wanted to do a mini unveiling because something finally came today that I'm so excited for, that is available. And it's here. So, if you know, we do have our store, MPire Merchandise. You can visit that on Teespring. The link will be in the description below. I don't know if I need to bend down or not, but I'm going to do it. But this is one of the shirts you may have seen in the description. I've been talking about this but haven't actually worn it yet. But you will see it in for sure the next video. But this shirt means a lot to me, and I'm excited to show you. So, yay! We now have our very own Cleanse t-shirt. Clean living essentially answers the needs of self-evolution. I will talk more about this baby later. This is a women's, I think, comfy v-neck, if I'm not mistaken. Not the slouchy, because we do have the slouchy option. And then, of course, you know who it's designed by, the LD team. So I'm super excited to have this. I believe this is a medium. I always make provision for shrinkage, and then I do like to wear my shirts off the shoulder. So, oh yes, and it's green. We got that heart energy. We got that natural, eco-friendly energy. So yes, clean living, like changing your diet, just being as clean as possible is the wave, and will always be the wave. And however it is that you feel like you need to be evolving, it can be achieved through clean living. Your answer is there. So, yay! I'm excited. Thank you for tuning into this video, and we'll be back with more. Until next time, don't you ever forget to stay magical. Always. Luna La Negra out.